Let's learn how to discreetly hide message notifications on Instagram, ensuring your privacy and giving you complete control over your social media experience. So if you are on Instagram and want to hide your message notifications so that other people can't see them or who you're sending messages to, then follow my steps and watch the video until the end. It's a pretty simple process, so let's start with the video. I'll show you 2 different ways on how you can hide the messages or the contents of those messages. You can pretty much control everything related to your Instagram notifications. And what you want to do is to open your Instagram profile and then tap on the 3 lines. Then click on the first option, which is Settings and Privacy. And when you get to this page, you want to open the Notifications section. Now we'll find the messages and open it. The easiest way to hide all those notifications is to turn off everything in here. You have the message requests, messages, message reminders, and other stuff. But when you disable these features, you won't get the message notifications at all on your home screen or lock screen. But if you want to hide the sender name and the message content, then I've got you covered. You can still get the notifications on your lock screen and home screen, but hide who's sending you messages and what they are sending. You want to open your phone settings and then open the notifications section. Then find Instagram on this list and open it. You can control the Instagram notifications in here, but what we want to do is to click on the Show Previews option and then select the Never option. This way you will get the Instagram notifications and you'll see that someone sent you a message, but you won't know who it is until you open the Instagram app and go into the chat. This way you can keep your privacy and others won't be able to see who you are chatting with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.